Seeds production starting on today. I'm back with another video. Okay, you guys remember this Vari's unboxing? Because like once I thought that I got scammed. I thought it wouldn't come, right? Took forever to come. So I asked for another one from the guy because I probably thought it got stolen or like miscounted. And this is literally where the other one is. Covered up all my info, so nothing to look at. Let's take out the wrapping. Literally. That is too cool. Okay. So let's take out the pieces. Okay. You know, it's funny, I get another one to add to my boxes. Okay. So yeah, this is it. So now, wait a minute. Oh yeah, I bent them. Wait. I just have to get a piece for it. What? Sure. Okay. Wait. See that? So yeah, basically, this was kind of broken, right? It didn't really want to move. It still doesn't, but it spins pretty unstable. Okay. So like on the other one, it didn't have enough stickers and they didn't stick hard enough or good enough. Now they have all stickers. I don't know if they stick long good enough because I'm not gonna try. Where's my knife? This is CJ Jr. I call my knife CJ Jr. It's really hard to hold for lefties. It's like opposite way. It's really dumb. Cut it out. Okay, so now I cut some more. Okay, so I put that back. I just cleaned up my desk, as you can tell. I don't know where to put these. I just shove them on my desk. I don't really care about the stickers. Oh, and I'll be getting, wait 1 second. Oh yeah, wait. If you guys even play Pokemon, this is the code. I already thought on a paper because it looks really blurry. Well, if you guys could see that, wait, let me just try to focus. Oh, sheesh. I guess there's no point in doing this on a birthday card. That horrible handwriting. MN4 4WYM Y67 NVV. That was the code. Okay. So this is the new one, of course, and this is the whatever one. The old one. Okay, that works good. Okay, this one's a little bad, but this one works good. They all work good. This one's probably like better. I really just tried something. It really works like a fidget spinner. I have one though, but I'm not too proud of it. Yep, it spins for like a few seconds. If you guys know anything to make it spin longer, please comment that down below. I'll show you literally a few seconds. It looks like it's warping, doesn't it? At least this wasn't 15K. If you get that, then you probably like fidget spinners a lot. Okay, this is spinning the longest it's ever done. Yep. It's like a little fidget spinner. But what I kind of did find weird, wait. Okay, right? They came with different tips. So, yeah. This is, a ball tip. WD, well, wide defense, so WD. And this is like WS or whatever, wide stamina. And the new one, so this one, shoot, always happens. It came clear, the old one didn't, and this one's bigger, this one's smaller. So if you guys could explain that, that'd be a lot of help, because I'm really confused. So yeah. Oh, literally, this one is actually, I know which one I'm using. Okay, look, you see that? Turn it down, push it down, pull it up, and pull it down, push it down. This one is actually the best. I actually really like this. But this one, actually, I'm not the biggest fan of. So we'll do a battle on the same tips. Well, actually, no, we won't. I won't. It won't make no sense. Of course, this one's gonna win. It's the new, better one. Okay. Let's put it on. You already know who's gonna win. See how unstable he is, and I spin them with the same force I had. See this? See that? This is wide. This one. Stay here in this one. Wait, one. Oh, actually, but I'll show you what happens when I put a UV light. You see that? UV light. It looks so cool. Let me make the whole screen yellow, blue. Okay. Write in the comments, like, just for now or whatever, even if you won't do it. I don't care. Which one do you think will stand out the most? Will it be yellow, pink, or magenta, blue, green, orange, green? So, yeah. So, there will be, wait. Let's just try 1, try 2, try 3. Try 4, and try 5. Okay, so there will be 2 of them that work. Comment which one you guess. Okay? So green is 1. This is not 1. This is run like crazy. And this is not 1. And this is not 1. So yeah. Yeah, so, let's see how I'll place them now. Like him. 1, 2. Okay, I'll just put it like that. So I'm just gonna see how the tip fits on. No, actually I'm not gonna use this. This will just go into my spare parts that I just have stashed around here. And my Beyblade tool that I got for my birthday. I literally broke this trying to fix it. Oh, I guess I do have another Beyblade. Oh, and of course in the UV light, I know which one else will glow. If I could just remember where I put it. Oh, really right behind this. Wait. This glows a little. This glows a little. That glows a lot. So, yeah, this is literally it. I can't make a combo because I broke my face bolt. So, yeah. Okay. Put this back. So now, make it even better yet. So I need two more Beyblades. Oh, just put it right there. That looks nice. Nice and neat. Can't wait to upload this to YouTube. For a reminder, if you just skipped it, this is it. So yeah. Well, I'll just for the video, I'll show you my best Pokemon. What? Almost. Yeah. I'm just finding them. All my EXs. And my Mega EX. I have just lost the Mega. That's how losing the X. Be me. Early. Okay, whatever. Yeah. So this was a good review. I would recommend not buying it from the seller specifically. Up Together Tech. Unless you well, actually everyone wants to, but of course it won't really work all the time because one, what if the shipping messes up and he thinks that he actually sold it to you, and it came, and well, that's what he thought. It came, he thinks that, but he's wrong. What about that? See? Well, yeah. Bye. No, that's not a good introduction to leave. That's Seeds of Production, signing off.